What's up, guys? Welcome back with another truth video. You know what it be. We'll begin with these thoughts. You guys, put in the comments if you want to see me play Island again. Cause like, yo, where am I getting shot from? I'm playing Island in a long time. Yeah? Guys, wait. I'm back, guys. So, okay. I'm out of breath. I just need you guys. How many reach 100 subscribers so I can stream for you guys? I want the videos to make it better for you. So you guys, if you want to, you can stream. You can. Cause like apparently on YouTube, you need 100 subscribers to start stream. Oh, Tom, why did you get shook?
I got shook, man.
Oh my god. I hear him. You know when the splashes go down and it hits you, and you say if you're on 90 HP, the splashes kill you. That's what I'm talking about. I'm like, you guys didn't idea. Oh, Keyline, sorry. Cause I can't see your phone now. So I just stream Roblox. And I've never stepped out or been scared to fly ever, like. I kinda like this thing. Like, no, you can't do those in this game. Annoying. Like, see, look, that should have been a door. But in this game, I do those. So I just do like under. No, it isn't. Well, I love doing that time. Anyways. Mandem. Oh, shit. Never try to tag them. There. Oh, try tagging him so what? One. Never happened before. One. You're gonna have to get past me first. And you're gonna have to try. Run! Make it! Sorry. Yeah. I was there. That would be fucked up. So bad. Wow, almost so low. He's higher than me. At least we're taking the dub today. Hey guys, like I know legends on this game real like legends. I know the creator, but the creator might have had some beef, so like when I get like lower money and then I need to work hard. And boy, this is a celebration, boy. Guys, subscribe and comment if you want more other videos. And if you want to see my face, really hit them comment below. Oh, money, let's go to the shop. Let's buy the most expensive cases. No, second expensive. Yeah, second last purchase. Now, so you guys want to know about my life here, you can do a Q&A. You guys subscribe, tell me your name in the below, then we can play together. I'm trying my best out here to get. Oh my god. Guys, if I sell that, I get 3,000. I'm gonna sell these to the banks. Okay. You guys, so I'm gonna sell everything. I'm joking. Who's gonna click sell button? I'm gonna sell until now end up with. I only leave 2 things. I think that one should do more. Yeah. How much money I have now? 5,000. Boys, come on, boy. I see a man. I see a man. I see another man. Next to me, this guy. Look, he stole my girl. I see if he just take him off by 4 damage. He needs a pin. I have all the guns. And I hit that guy for 24. That was a strong 24. Didn't get what people say. That was a strong 15. Right? Didn't know you're still a 15. I'm going like you get where I'm coming from. I really want to see so if we can smash 100 subscribers before March next year, that would be brilliant for me and my family. Just to tell you, it will be brilliant. And then we can start streaming. I can tell you what's happening in my life, because it's not that good in my life. So if you say you want to be in my life, unicorns, don't steal my kill, please. Please, Donnie. Please. Both of you low eyes. Now see you. So both of them. They're leading the dirt. Leading the dirt, boy. But I ain't got time to coin. This is how I play, boy. Come at me. Come at me. Hey. Hey guys. I'm joking, my friend. Ah, you know what I mean. You guys, I want you to tell me in the link below what size kill game. Mine is 50. If you haven't watched, yeah, I didn't make a video of that. Did I just guess? I don't know this one yet. Wait. 10. That's why I never checked you on the game. I know I'm just gonna get a snake. Oh, he's getting snake, boy. I really like the P90. It's just trash. Like, Jimmy, why not trust you? But to me, like, the P90, like, I know how much bullets it has. Bullets it has in 50 bullets. And I'm going to play a one guy team. This is the one guy team. This is my guy, fam. This is my guy, fam. So I'm 5 HP. Are you actually going to get done like that? Madness. Just to tell you, don't know I need to carry on. I think you guys like that more. So, but carry on then, peace out. We